Hello everyone, can you solve this? Today we want to find the value of s from this given nice math exponential problem. 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 18. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have a better method, kindly put it in the comment section. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 9 raised to power s minus 1 is equal to 18. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. And if you have 1 over a, this is equal to a raised to power minus 1. Then if you have s raised to power minus 2, this is equal to 1 over s squared. And therefore, the whole of this can be written as 9 raised to power s multiplied by 9 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 18. And this is 9 raised to power s multiplied by 1 over 9 is equal to 18. 9 raised to power s multiplied by 1, this is 9 raised to power s over 9 is equal to 18. Let us cross multiply. Then this is 9 raised to power s is equal to 9 multiplied by 18. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 9 raised to power s is equal to log 9 multiplied by 18. Take note of this, that if you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. And this is x log 9 is equal to log 9 multiplied by 18. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 9. We have this divided by log 9, and the whole of this is divided by log 9. This log 9 cancel this log 9. S is equal to log 9 multiplied by 18 over log 9. Take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to log 9 plus log 18 over log 9. S is equal to log 9 over log 9 plus log 18 over log 9. This log 9 cancel this log 9 1. S is equal to 1 plus log 18 over log 9. But 18 is equal to 9 multiplied by 2. X is equal to 1 plus log 9 multiplied by 2 over log 9. X is equal to 1 plus log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. S is equal to 1 plus log 9 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. This log 9 cancel this log 9. S is equal to 1 plus 1 plus log 2 over log 9. 9 is equal to 3 square. S is equal to 1 plus 1. This is 2 plus log 2 over log 3 square. X is equal to 2 plus log 2 over log 3 square can be written as 2 log 3. X is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 log 2 over log 3. Then if you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. X is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 9 raised to power x minus 1 is equal to 18. And this is 9 raised to power 2 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 minus 1 must be equal to 18. 2 minus 1, that is 1. We have 9 raised to power 1 plus 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 must be equal to 18. This is 9 raised to power 1 multiplied by 9 raised to power 1 over 2 log 2 base 3 must be equal to 18. 9 raised to power 1, this is 9 multiplied by, this can be written as 3 square to the power of 1 over 2 log 2 base 3. This cancel this. 9 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 must be equal to 18. Take note of this, that if you have log a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. Then this is 9 multiplied by the whole of this is 2 must be equal to 18. 9 multiplied by 2, this is 18, is equal to 18, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.